excellent experiments,
magic and mayhem,
facts and fun.
and today, check out how to do this. Wow!
Wow!
Over to Stycie and Seth.
Stycie, I know you don't like eggs, but for today's vacuum experiment, we're gonna have to use one.
Okay.
So for today's vacuum experiment, you're gonna need a bottle,
Matchbox
a hard-boiled egg.
and a candle. Let's get started.
Okay guys, so we had an adult light the candle, and now we're gonna put the egg on top. We're gonna wait for the candle to finish burning, yeah, and then it'll suck it like a vacuum.
Yeah, it's starting to
You
suck
see,
it.
it's starting, and once it ends. So guys, instead of using a candle, we swapped it out with paper because it works better. So we're gonna have an adult assistant come and help us light the paper.
Clara. Now we're going to put.
Oh. Okay, so that was another failed attempt, but we're gonna try again because being a scientist means you have to try and try and try until you finally get your end result. So we're trying again. So guys, this is really hard to light while the paper's inside because there's not enough oxygen in the bottle. So yeah, it's really hard to light. So that's why you gotta keep trying over and over again.
Even if you have to try 100 times,
Yeah.
I think it will be worth it.
Yeah, it'll be worth it once it sucks it up. So it didn't really work out for us. We tried the candle, we tried paper. Nothing really worked for us, so.
But you guys should try it at home, and if it works, tell us in the comments down below. This is Seth.
And this is Stycie.
And this is Sema. Stay connected with me on the Sema YouTube channel.